Escape to your 72 plus acres of Kentucky countryside with a private home, open fields, wooded land, and the perfect setup for farming, recreation, or peaceful living. Located just outside Irvine, this property offers a rare blend of privacy and accessibility, giving you the freedom to enjoy rural life while staying within reach of nearby towns and everyday conveniences. The home is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The main level features a welcoming living space along with a primary bedroom, offering convenience and ease of living. Natural light fills the interior, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere that connects seamlessly with the outdoor scenery. Upstairs, a loft area provides additional flexible space that can be used as a bedroom, office, or quiet retreat. The partially finished walkout basement adds even more versatility, featuring additional rooms and a full bathroom, perfect for guests, extended family, or recreational use. Outdoor living is one of the highlights of this property. A covered porch and elevated deck overlook the surrounding land, offering the perfect place to relax and take in the views. Whether enjoying a peaceful morning or watching the sunset across the fields, this space brings the beauty of the countryside right to your doorstep. The land itself is rich with potential. Open areas are ready for farming or pasture, while wooded sections provide excellent habitat for wildlife and hunting opportunities. With convenient access to Richmond, Winchester, and Lexington, this Kentucky property offers the perfect balance of space, privacy, and possibility.